Hey guys, Griffin here, back with another video. I'm sorry guys, I have not posted a video. The day kind of ate itself, well, kind of got eaten away, and I didn't have time to make a video that day. So I'm sorry guys, but today I might be making a little more than I usually do, hopefully. But first of all, we have another episode of Raft. We did a lot of Satisfactory, then we did a couple videos of City Skylines, and now we are doing a video of Raft. Needs fresh water. I don't know if that's... Oh, we caught something. So, we're back, and this is our raft. It's not the best. That's why our mission for today is to expand, to build a massive raft. I hope. To get my thumbnail, I built this little thing right here. That was to get to my thumbnail. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is, I feel like we need some protection on this. And let's see, can I get another resource? I need scrap. Come on, give me some scrap. Give me some scrap. Scrap. Oh, that would have been perfect. It would have caught in it. Okay, we have another resource collector. We just got the right amount of scrap. Now let's just fish that. Fish that. Okay. I can put another there. Oh, I'm so tired. Anyway, let's see another thing in there, and boom. I also want to go to food. I want to get one of these. Eggs and planks. So nails, which I have one. So I need some scrap. Holy man, that is a massive island. That is insane. Man, that thing is chunky. Wow. Wow, that is something right there. That thing is massive. I did not see that coming. Did not see that coming. It literally just came out of nowhere, too. Oh, and we need to go underwater to get scrap. Oh, no. It's the bird that likes to drop things on things' heads. That's not good. It's the bird that likes to drop things on things' heads. Okay, so that is a bit of a problem. Very dangerous. Oh, I just used that wood I just said I needed. That island is dangerous. There could be something. There could be those things that the Rammy boys, me and Weather call them, Rammy boys. Also, we really have to get him in this world. There's some multiplayer action, which would be awesome, but does not look like it's going to happen this episode. Anyway, we want to just pull right in. Oh, and now water's a problem. Nope. Um. Oh no, not that. I forgot. I probably need an anchor. Planks. Well, we're gonna have to crash the raft into it. Then I have to go run up there and smack a tree. Come on, why are there no trees anywhere? Okay, come on. I need to run to get to the other side of the island where my raft is. Okay, we're good, we're good. Now we can stop really trying. Like, extremely. That was terrifying. That thing was like right next to me. Oh man, those things are terrifying. Free plastic, come on. Yeah, free plastic. Man, that thing is annoying. It gets you the most when you're like unable to move around a lot. And that's when it attacks you. Ooh, caves. Cave little mushroom boys. What? Come on. I found a little camp, but not an, oh, okay. I was about to be really disappointed that there was not a loot crate in this cave. Yeah, thank you. 2 scrap, oh, decoration package. Let's see what we get, shall we? Curtain. It had to be something pretty useless. Why couldn't it be like a recipe or something, like an actual tool recipe? Or why couldn't like there be like a package with like a little bit of titanium in it? Because that would be the best. Except that I need a smelter, which would not be the best. Maybe some metal. I'd sell them for some metal. Oh, my arm is itchy. Let's get back to work. I think he's stuck walking that way, but when he tries to walk another way, I think he's not going to be so stuck. Oh, that hurt. I need a way to up there. Weather was better at getting up these places. But I'm still pretty good at them. Looks like the back of the island was like a way up. Ah, yes. Berries, berries. Great. Hinges! That's what I need. I need those for better chests. Yes. Yes. Man, climbing up all these areas is so hard. Just gotta keep up. What did I stop? I'm just gonna eat this. Oh man, it's making me so hungry. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I'm so hungry right now. See how much scrap do I have? I make some nails that'll take up less inventory. Yeah, that's better. And I need to go get some scrap soon. But first I need to go chop this tree. Plank. Planks are more valuable than 2 coconuts, 100%. Ooh, it's like a little farm. That's pretty cool. It's like a little farm I didn't notice. We might as well eat them instead of just abandoning them, right? That was unfortunate. Now where's my raft? I don't think I can see it from this side. I really wish I had a better spear so I can go kill one of those puffer fish. Yeah. Maybe a bow and arrow. Oh, I forgot he was there. Okay, my raft is right down here. Let's head under. Real quick, so I have stuff to make another. I'm gonna go ahead and make one of those for one of my other breaks. My old hook breaks. I have another. Can I get one of those good storages? Pretty sure he might have bit me in the process. I have any plastic? Oh, I don't. Anyway, I think that's going to wrap it up for this episode of Raft. Hope you guys enjoyed, had some good time. And I shall see you next time. But first, let's do a recap. We basically found this massive island and saved our raft from getting eaten. That's a pretty successful episode, okay? And now we are going to finish up this episode by saying, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you next time.